All right, well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Emma Vogt about dry land and irrigated acres.
Right now, Emma is back with a recipe for strawberry delight, and here's that story.
Well, this time of the year, a nice, refreshing dessert is always great for a gathering. And joining me now with more on this is Emma Vogt with Common Ground, our volunteer this week. And Emma, what do you have?
I have a strawberry delight. It's really simple. It's only 5 ingredients. My favorite thing about this is it's something that I can keep all the ingredients here. And at those last minute gatherings that always seem to pop up, I have them all and I can mix it all up, which is great when the grocery store is half an hour to 40 minutes away. You just take 1 tub of Cool Whip and add that into the bowl. Sweetened condensed milk, just 1 canful of that. It's definitely a sweet salad. And so then we're just mix that all up together so it's combined real good. Add in 1 package of mini marshmallows and just get them covered a little bit. And then I had just half a cake of angel food that I'd made. You could also, if you have the frozen pound cakes and keep on hand, cut it up into little 1 inch and a half squares and get that so it's coated. And then lastly, you can add your strawberries that are all sliced up, and it's something that if you pick up, you can have frozen strawberries that are pre-sliced already, or if you'd like a blueberry or something else, that would work out great too. For 4th of July coming up, sometimes you could add, your blueberries and strawberries and make it kind of a festive one. But that's all, just get it all mixed up really good and it is ready to go then.
That looks like that'll feed a lot of folks.
Usually 25, 30, depending on your serving sizes.
Where do you get your strawberries? I know you mentioned you can do frozen, but I'm sure if people have strawberries in their garden this summer, lucky enough, they
Yep.
can do that.
Yes, if you're lucky enough to have that, that would work out perfect. Ours were just from the grocery store. Our 4 little plants that we have not produced anything yet. But yes, that works out great. And the frozen always works good too. And sometimes that can save you on time and just having packaged right there.
All right. Emma, thank you very much for sharing that with us today.